Hello everybody, it's your friend here with another Minecraft video. And today's OntHWaY lab, how it looks like. And today, also some days, always, but today's time is different, clearly different. So, the sound. So, I'm ready to fight here with other striker friends. I'm gonna check the process of this. Like this experiment for today. As you can see, this wait. I thought it's evil. Oh, they're back to normal. Okay, that's great. Okay, so note. Test 1. Evil dogs. Note 1, test 1, evil dogs. Okay, I'm very ready for this. So, you guys ready? Okay, I think they're ready. But first I need some, maybe check my, no, I'm gonna go to treehouse to get some wood and stuff. So, this is evil dogs, so I can't fight them with just bare hands. Need a powerful sword. So I really, this is really nice. This is hotel actually in front of the labs. But room keys. Does it have room keys? Oh, what? What kind of what? No chest? Oh, just a decoy. Ah, okay, I get it. I really need some wood. Okay, guys, maybe there's no wood today. Note 43. Why? So, come on, guys. I leave your door. You guys can just spawn. Okay, so, oh no. Okay, so there's like a lab, others lab, but yeah. Sorry for bad quality, but it's clearly great time to, get ready for other tests. New video, other test, which is gonna be also fun, guys. So this is just like a, close the door, let's go down, slab, guys, come on. So to go to the lollipop building, it's my heart, so there I don't barely need those, so I can just create this. Okay, so create some sticks. Okay, I already sticks. So alright, guys, this is my private room. Sit sit. Prayer needs to be sit by alone. Also, I need some chest plates so I can work on. Or I would have diamonds. So, any makeups? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, the evil over there. Oh God, they're so scary. Villagers, what are you doing here? Oh, you don't let me to steal them. Okay, fine. Whatever, just leave me alone. Striker really worthy. Gonna quit that. Whoa, I crit 2 pickaxe. So, maybe I need an iron shovel. Because that's sometimes. Oh, okay, stand up. Stand up. It's time. It's the time. So, okay, so my secret base, my toilet, so don't bother him. My village, Dr. Villager, oh my God, he's escaped. No one, I lost Dr. Villager. No, Dr. Villager. I will get new one. Get chest. Please, chest. Please. Need your help. Chest. Okay, so. Okay. Really help me now, chest. Okay. You are helping out, chest. Okay, so I gotta check. Okay, so. I'm back from the bathroom. Hello guys, back from the bathroom. Stand please. Striker, just leave it there. Okay. I'm ready for just 3. Oh God, 2, 1. Die! Oh God, God! Oh my glove! Die, bad doggies. No, they kill my good doggies. Get him. Wait. Get to another one. Oh no. Die, my doggies. Oh, Striker come to help me. Oh, that's other. Oh no. Ah! Kill them. Okay. Ready. Oh, there's more. Oh God. That subject. Ah. Note. Just 1 failed to see what's the problem. Okay, let's go. Die, all of you. Die, oh God, please don't. Ah!